can you find live videos on your Clapper app? We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so sorry, you just go here. You will find here uh, live in app here in this list. You click on it. So when you just click here on live, so here automatically it's going to take you to videos live like you see here. So you will find here these lives, and can you swipe like this? Can you swipe? Then here it's going to show for you all lives. So here it's going to show for you enter here you swipe, you will find start lives here. I have no start lives yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.